Arco Solutions has a strategy where we are going to solve global energy challenges for future generations, and JustEco is a tool that can deliver on that purpose. JustEco is a tool that we've developed in-house, and we use it to calculate the operational costs for equipment and for concepts. The operational costs, they consist of emissions and energy costs. We apply it to our ongoing projects in the oil and gas industry, but in theory it can be applied to anything that uses energy.
I often use JustEco to illustrate the difference between one option, which might be cheaper but less energy efficient, and then compared with another, which might be more expensive. Often you get that the more expensive to buy in actually saves money in the long run due to energy savings.
So for this example, the first option we've added in 100 kilowatts energy consumption with a high investment cost of 6 million. And in the second example, we've added in 150 kilowatts of energy consumption with a much lower cost. If you compare the figures, then you see that the break-even point is at about 17 years. If we factor in the growth in the CO2 taxes, we see the break-even point moves much further forward. So the growth in the CO2 taxes will have a significant impact on operating costs going forward. This highlights how important it is to actually start doing these analyses.
JustEco highlights both the environmental and economical impact, which we can use to guide our customers to take the most sustainable and profitable choices.
JustEco, I think, has the power to change the world because you systematically reduce energy usage instead of focusing on building new energy solutions, which is also needed, but there's little focus on actually reducing what energy we consume today. And if you had applied this sort of analysis to anything that uses power, you can make a tangible change on the world.